And it goes a little something like
y'all want to know what I eat in a day, vegetarian style, and on the road to veganism. So let's not waste any more time, because I just want y'all to see how good I eat, because I probably eat better than a lot of you meat eaters out there. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, because we have a giveaway coming soon and I don't want you guys to miss it. But that's not why y'all here today. Y'all want to know what I eat in a day, vegetarian / veganism style. This food is gonna be bomb, really bomb. I really won't have all the recipes in there, but just to get a gist of what I eat and put in my digestive system, I think it's really good. So I just want to share with you all that anybody can really become a vegetarian, because it's just that easy, okay? Okay, so if you haven't already, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Okay, so this morning I decided to whip up some French toast, because really I didn't have any groceries in my house. But I did come across some berries that were left in the fridge. So, you know, the little fruit mixture that Publix had, that was left over from a snack I probably had the other day. So I decided to use that to make the syrup for my French toast, because bottled syrup really tastes nasty. And this stuff is kind of healthier, you know, you get to how much sugar you add in there, and it really tastes amazing with the French toast. But how I cook my French toast, so I had some Hawaiian sweet bread. So that was in the house, so I decided to use that to make my French toast. Put some, I think, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, maybe sugar, brown sugar, no brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and that's it. I think I don't even think I add sugar in it, because the syrup that we made is gonna have plenty of sugar and plenty of flavor in it that you don't really need it, and the bread was already sweet. Me and Bay ate that up, and it was really good. She really liked it. I really liked it. That was just something I made off a whim, because that what was in our house. So that was really our first time kind of eating it, not even gonna lie. So most of the time I just kind of freestyle all my recipes. Meal number 2, I decided to make a very light meal, because I went to the gym, boo. So the gym opened back up at my apartment complex. Me and my roommate decided to go, so I really didn't want something very heavy, just came from the gym. So I decided to whip up some sauteed kale with sweet peppers, with some cilantro lime rice, and a few sweet plantains. Okay, sweetie? Okay, we eating good, and I mean that. It was a very simple recipe. The longest thing that took to cook was the plantains, and as you can see, my plantains is a little crunchy, okay, because I rushed it. Plantains take a long time to cook, so I didn't mind it being crunchy. It actually gave it the texture that I needed in my meal. From the island, please help your girl out and let me know what I can do, a quicker way to make some plantains, because I love some plantains. That's what I had for lunch, and for the most part, I don't drink any juice. We really only drink water. We have a purifier in the house. I decided to throw that in there just to let you guys know. So that's what I drink with majority of my meals. After lunch, I probably just sit around, edit a little bit, and I get a little hungry and I want a snack. And for the most part, we kind of randomly pick fruit out when we go to the store. And again, today we had apples. So I decided to cut those apples up, throw a little cinnamon on it with some honey on top, and it's a good cinnamon apple mixture like you would taste in your oatmeal, and I love it. So that was the snack I had today, and those green apples are huge, so it was very fulfilling, a nice snack in between my lunch and dinner, and it's nice fuel and energy to keep me going, because editing for 3 hours straight can be exhausting. And last but not least, we have lunch, and we have some good old classic spaghetti. But this ain't any spaghetti. I actually like to make my spaghetti, I guess, from scratch, if you would say. But I don't really like how the jar spaghetti tastes, because I don't know. I like to put the tomato sauce in myself, with the tomato paste, the seasonings, and all of that good stuff, and it just has a great flavor. However, I did add some veggie Italian sauces to it just to spice the meal up a little bit more and just, you know, have that rich Italian goodness, okay? And when I say it probably tastes better than a lot of y'all spaghetti, it probably does, okay? And I whipped up some corn and I just shucked it off. That corn was probably like 25 cents from Walmart. Shut that, throw it in some water. And make me some cheddar bay biscuits, okay? Some lots of cheddar bay biscuits, okay? But them not vegan. Those are not vegan, okay? But this is a good meal that we like to eat, you know. You want to feel, you know, complete when you eat as a vegetarian. Just like when you eat meat, you kind of just want to be fulfilled, you know. Be like, this was so good, and all of this food I showed you was just so good, you know. So comment down below and let me know what was your favorite meal that I ate today. And let me know if you want me to recreate these and get more in detail with the recipes, just so you guys can cook it at home. And make sure you always tag me in your posts on Instagram at @theautumnolivia. Add me on Twitter and hit me up at @theautumnolivia as well. Well, that's it for me. That's it for you. See y'all next time.